In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT on Shopify AI Ecommerce tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to leverage ChatGPT to plan your Shopify store setup with clarity and confidence, even if you're brand new to e-commerce. First, go to ChatGPT. Open it in your web browser so you can start a fresh conversation. Give yourself a clear, distraction-free moment, because you'll be feeding it a single focused request and reviewing the guidance it returns. When ChatGPT loads, you'll see a message box at the bottom of the screen. That's where you'll type your request. Think of ChatGPT as your on-demand onboarding coach. It can map out what to do first, what to do later, and why each step matters. A stable internet connection helps the response generate smoothly, so make sure your connection is good before you begin. Next, enter the request. How to set up my Shopify store. Type it in naturally, just like you'd ask a mentor. If you want a more structured answer, you can say you'd like a step-by-step plan, a checklist, or best practices for beginners, but keep the core prompt simple and clear. The phrasing matters less than the intent. ChatGPT will understand that you're looking for a practical roadmap to launch. If you already have a product type or niche in mind, you can include it in the same message for more tailored guidance, but it's perfectly fine to start broad. Press enter to send your request, then sit back. Now, wait until ChatGPT generates your prompts. You'll see it build out a sequence of tasks you can follow, typically starting with foundational setup and moving into product pages, payments, shipping, store policies, design, and basic marketing essentials. Let it finish so you can see the full flow from start to finish. As the response appears, pay attention to how the guidance is organized. This structure helps you understand what to prioritize and what can come later. If the response pauses briefly, that's normal. Give it a moment to complete. Once it's done, review the prompts and explanations at your own pace. The goal here isn't to rush, but to use the outline as a clear roadmap you can act on inside Shopify when you're ready. This keeps you from feeling overwhelmed and ensures you don't miss important setup steps while you build. And that's it. Go to ChatGPT, enter how to set up my Shopify store, and wait for your prompts. Use the guidance as your companion plan, and you'll move through your Shopify setup with far more confidence and clarity.